And hi guys, so this video is going to be my updated eyebrow tutorial. I know I have a lot of these out there. I have tons of eyebrow tutorials, but I'm just brushing my brows, or what's there, through with a spool just to lay them a little bit flatter. Then I'm taking a brown eyeliner pencil, and right where my brown ends, that's where I start my arch. So where my brow ends, I just flick it up to start my arch to go over. And this brown pencil, brown eyebrow pencil, can be found anywhere really out here, in the wholesale downtown, in a shop or store. I can find it also. So I'm just filling in my brows to the desired shape that I want. And I've been doing my brows really thick lately, and I decided today let's just do them thin and try guys how to do them how I do my brows thin. No, this is not very different from my other eyebrow tutorials. I just thought I'd share with you guys what I've been doing, so that if you ask me, I can refer to this video, because this is my most up-to-date video tutorial. Okay, so after I have that, I'm going to take Black Opal's foundation in Rich Caramel. And this is what I've been using to clean my brows up, to do my highlight. This is what I've been using. I haven't switched. I remember I used to use, what do you call it again? Kiss. Ruby Kisses, level 11. I don't use level 11 again. No reason, no, I'm not having against it. It's just that today, or for the past couple of months, this is what I've been using to highlight, and just keep it to do my brows as well, rather than just walking around with highlights thingy, then brows thingy, and it's too much. So I minimize what's in my makeup bag by just carrying that alone. So I'm taking my angle brush from my Dipped in Elegance set. This is by far my favorite angle brush. We have one in the Intensity in Paradise or Pour Me in Paradise, whichever you purchase, you're going to get this angle brush. Not this specific one, but the one that I'm talking about. And that one I find is a little bit thicker. It's amazing to fill your brows in, but it's not as sharp as this one to structure your brows. So I'm just filling them in at the top and as well as at the bottom. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is fill in from where my brow ends. So I'm filling in from where, yeah, my brow ends, where there's only skin, so that that my hairs blend more with the brow pencil. That's what I'm doing. And I'm just doing some cleanup with the foundation as well, the Black Opal Rich Caramel foundation. So to clean up my foundation, or my concealer, if you will, but I use foundation. I was using the fluffy angle brush from the Intensity in Paradise set / Put Me in Paradise. And this white thing that I'm using is actually a pencil concealer that I got from Essence. And I'm putting that right on my arch, right on my brow bone, to bring my brow bone out some more. And the reason why I highlight my brow bone so much is because I have hooded eyes and I have no visible crease, and I really love the look of a structured brow bone, if that makes sense, if structured brow bone makes sense. But by me doing this, adding this second highlighted step to my brows, it allows my brows to pop even more. When I put eyeshadow on it, it pops even more. When I put whatever's on it, it pops even more, and so on and so forth. And that's the look that I want. That's the look that I love. I love the look of just like your brow bone right under your eyebrows. I just think it looks amazing. You see how it just pops out at you, in contrast to the rest of the other. I mean, it just looks, ugh, I love it. I love it. So I'm just cleaning up again with the fluffy brush, brushing through with my spoolie, at the beginning and then laying my hairs even flatter right into the pencil. You see that? So you can't even tell where my hair ends. In this brow, you can see where my hair ends. But once I go through with it with my pencil, bam, everything just melts together. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.